And at the back. And at the back. We see you. Okay, what's next? Which one are you? You see, which of those 4 entrepreneurs? Which one are you? How can we help you? Well, first, we want to listen. We want to hear about your ideas. We want you to get excited. Okay? And I think the last slide said, good luck. Good luck. Good luck. And I'll see you in my office right after the presentation, Mr. Bilal. I love him. Don't worry. I love him. Okay. Anyway, thank you all very much for listening. It's a great pleasure. A great pleasure to have you here. We are so excited to be a part of this fantastic thing which is going to transform this country over the coming weeks, months, and years. Good luck to you all, and thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Gordon. That was truly inspiring. And of course, good luck to Bilal. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, the entrepreneurs, the enterprising students have now won the best seats. But I must remind you that the following panel discussions that we are about to commence, in your folders, the ones you've received at the welcome desk, they are... There's a list, there's actually a form in which you can enter your question for each panel. You may do that simultaneously as the panel discussion is happening, and then Uzra has some plan of collecting those from you, and they will be directed to me, and we'll perhaps be sharing some of those during the panel discussion. Also, there's a lucky draw form in your gift bags, the guest bags, and you can also fill them out, and you will perhaps win something or the other. But you may put all of that at hold, because now you're all distracted by the magenta bags. Come back. You have to stay focused. You see, we will keep reminding you that each and everything that you do today is actually your lesson in being an entrepreneur. You have to stay focused, you have to have a vision, and you have to pay attention to the little details. But ladies and gentlemen, we are really delighted to have a guest of honor amongst us. She is definitely an enterprising soul herself. You know her as being one of the most outspoken media personalities, and now she's also serving in the provincial government. May I request you all to join me in welcoming the Provincial Minister for Tourism, Sindh, Madam Shazia Marie. Thank you, Shazia. May I request Uzra and Mr. Gordon to join us as the Ladies Entrepreneurship Conference would like to acknowledge her with a special award, a memento that would remind you of this very energetic gathering. Thank you so much for being here, Shazia. Ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we present this wonderful memento to Madam Shazia Marie. She's taken out time. She has a really busy schedule. Thank you, everyone. For their sake, I had to be silent in order not to ruin their wonderful pictures. Thank you, Uzra. Thank you, Mr. Gordon. Shazia, may we request you to please say a few words. You've always been an inspiration for them on the screen. Now they'd like to listen from you directly, too. Ladies and gentlemen, Shazia Marie.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. All the distinguished guests present here today, particularly the young entrepreneurs, the senior entrepreneurs, the organizers, especially Ms. Dawood, Mr. Gorman, a friend of mine who's become now, I can't say that easily, Sidra Iqbal, and all other lovely ladies present here today, friends from the media community, Assalamu alaikum. I would first like to take this opportunity of thanking the organizers for thinking about me, or thinking of me rather, when planning this event. And it is indeed an opportunity for me to be here. Such a vibrant audience, I must say. And talking about the subject, like very wisely spoken about earlier by Mr. Gorman and Sidra herself, entrepreneurship, the P's of business, the 3 or the 4 P's, and all the steps that were mentioned earlier on, the very impressive briefing given by Mr. Gorman himself. I must say that I do see a very exciting conference ahead of me, which unfortunately I will not be able to attend. But I once again am very pleased to be here, to see the turnout. It is very impressive. I also would like to take the opportunity of sort of shedding a bit of light on the fact that tourism is an industry today in the world. Pakistan might have not realized the very importance of tourism historically, but we are moving in the right direction. And with this kind of activism, I see that tourism has great future in Pakistan. It is indeed in an industry in the world which generates about $940 billion. It is, rightly said, a backbone for many economies in the world today. But we yet have to make that kind of use of this industry, or rather turn it into an industry. So please focus on tourism as well when you're thinking about businesses, when you're thinking about ventures. Think of tourism as a field that you can also enter, you can think about, you can be creative and innovative about, because Pakistan has great potential, as you all know, and I don't only look in future, I look in the present as well. So our present has to be more focused to get a better future. I once again would like to take this opportunity of thanking everybody, from the organizers to the participants, and of course Avari, nevertheless, who's always been so kind, whether I come for events or for my meals. I must say that Avari has the finest restaurants in Karachi. I do take this opportunity of saying the truth, because I bring a lot of friends to Avari, not because I'm standing here today, but because I do it when I'm not at Avari as well. So thank you very much once again.
Thank you so much, Shazia, for starting this conference on the right note, and we will definitely miss you during the later half of it. But once again, ladies and gentlemen, please be reminded that there are forms in your folders where you can enter the questions that you may want to direct to the panel. They will be collected from you, and then out of those, some pertinent ones, the ones that we can accommodate, will be directed to our panel. Also, I must remind you that there are forms that will allow you to enter our lucky draw. Please fill them out so that you may perhaps win goodie bags or whatever the wonderful prizes are. I will also find out about them. There's a host of people, brands, organizations that are backing this event, and I'm sure their brand managers and people who made the right choice would be really happy, because the turnout has been amazing. But once again, since I believe a lot has been covered, we've started with the right momentum, may I request all our friends from the media community to now settle down a bit, because otherwise ये जो डिस्कशन यहाँ पे होने वाली है वो कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाएंगे हमारे ऑडियंस से भी. अगर आप लोग थोड़ा सेटल डाउन कर लें, स्पेशली जो मेरे दोस्त फोटोग्राफी कर रहे हैं आज के इस इवेंट की, और आपसे मेरी दरख्वास्त ये भी होगी कि अगर आप लोग स्टेज, आई डोंट नो कि आपके लिए कितना फ़ायदेमंद होगा, क्योंकि अब मेरे पैनलिस्ट यहाँ आने वाले हैं, तो यू विल नॉट रियली गेट टू सी देम इफ़ यू आर सिटिंग राइट हियर. सो जी, आप सेटल यहाँ पे सेटल हो सकते हैं नीचे. कैन वी गेट मोर चेयर्स? विल ट्राई, लेकिन लाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. आप सबसे दरख्वास्त होगी कि प्लीज़ बी अ लिटिल अकोमोडेटिंग. Amazing turnout, but these are the glitches that come around. The student volunteers will help you out. Thank you very much. Also, since this is an age of the virtual participation as well, I must remind you that Y Tribe has very diligently offered to